Hey, what's up? It's John with Be Superfly. In another tutorial, I showed how to add this dollar sign before your number counter, and I'll include the code here. All you got to do is go to this module, go into the custom CSS, and add this code right here, and you can change the font size and the positioning of your dollar sign. And we'll take a look at that. Great. Yeah, because normally it doesn't show up if you try to do a dollar sign or a plus in here with the number. I'll just throw one in here. Let me remove this code. It's going to show this until it counts up. And same here, if you try to do a plus at the end, let's say. We'll go ahead and save these and see how they respond. But I know in our mockups, yeah, so it's just not going to count up, not quite what you want. So here I'll remove the dollar sign and I'll put in my code here, which you'll have access to in the code bin here that I've linked up here. So this first part here, the dollar sign. And then in a lot of our designs, we want this like in the mockup, we have like, 1,000 plus whatever. And so usually I would just do the plus right here. But that's not quite the same. So after discovering I could do it on the front here like this, I figured I wonder if I could use the same code and just tweak it a little bit for the after. So in this one, we're doing the before pseudo element and putting in this dollar sign. This one I'm saying, hey, after the number, put in the plus sign. And the way we're targeting the number here is if you look at the inspect element here, there's this, your number sits in this percent value span. And so that's why you see here, we're going into the selector, which is into this module that we're pasting the code in, find that percent value span. And then in this example, before the number, put the plus sign. In this example, after the number, put the plus sign, the dollar sign here, put the plus sign, and then there's some spacing here. Okay, so let me grab this and go back here to my page here. And so here I am in the 1,000 here. I want a plus sign right here. So I'll paste that code in. So it's saying, hey, go into this selector, which is this number counter module that I opened up. Find that percent value. After it, put in the plus sign. Here's the font size, and here's some positioning. So obviously you could change this however you want, to move it. Or if you adjusted the font size, you'd want to adjust this positioning a little bit. Beautiful. The other nice thing about the plus one here, if you had all of them be plus, or you could right align them, it'll look really nice. Like, watch this. If I go in here and number, yeah, the number text, if I align it over here, and I guess I would want to do that too with the title text. Might as well do that, both of them. Then it's going to look really nice with that plus sign being kind of anchored over there and the number just counting up. Like, that looks really nice, I think. So it doesn't work in this example because we have this plus sign on the left. So let me go ahead and undo that. Now, if you don't like putting your CSS here in the actual module, then all you would need to do is give it a class for this person. Let's say number module plus, and then you could have one called number module dollar or something like that, and then you would grab this code and change this to number module plus, and you could copy this out and put it where the rest of your CSS is, whether it's in theme options or if you like to do the page CSS down in here. That's what you would do. I just think the selector thing they have now is super handy. All right, well, so a short and sweet one, but it's definitely going to be a tutorial that I use often to get the number counters working with being able to add the plus at the end or the dollar sign in front. All right, y'all. Stay fly. Cheers.